This is the big day in Japan. Culture Day, Bunka no Hai. This day official at Japan. The due date November 3. This holiday according to the Japan's holiday law Shukujitsu Ho aims for the people to love freedom and peace and promote culture. November 3rd, 1946 is the day of the announcement of Japan's important new constitution, peace and culture. Thus the Japan's holidays law Shukujitsu Ho year 1948 set November 3 as Culture Day. Award ceremony Medal of Culture held at the Emperor's Palace Tokyo on Culture Day. Other than that, Culture of Vice holding an art festival which is enlivened by giving gifts for various fields of art. Partial visitors museum 1 this day also exempt from entry fees. Respect for the Aged Day. Kero no Hai is one day official at Japan. This holiday used to be commemorated by a date 5th of September, but since years 2003 moved to the day Monday in the third week of the month September following the system Happy Monday system. This holiday, according to Japan's holiday law Shukujitsu Ho, is used to love the elderly for their years of contribution to society and celebrate longevity. Respect for the elderly day originated from the idea of a village chief named Kodowaki Masao from Taka district, Hyogo prefecture, and now the city Taka, who proposed Parents' Day Toshironi no Hi. In the village, he lit September 15 as a day to honor the elderly on September 15, and it happens that in the middle of September is a period of silence from farming work. Since 1940, this event extends to all of Hyogo prefecture and has subsequently become a national anniversary. In the years of 1964, Parents' Day Toshiro no Hai was renamed the Day of the Elderly Reiji no Hai because the term Toshiro parents was considered impolite. In the year of 1966, the Day of the Elderly was made a holiday after changing its name to the Day of Respect for the Senior, Kero no Hai.
Children's Day, Kodomo no Hi, is one day of official at Japan. The due date May 5. This holiday is a series of holidays called the end of April and early May, Golden Week, in Japan. Children's Day is celebrated since the year 1948 and established by the Japanese holiday law or Shukujitsu Ho to honor the child's personality, plan children's happiness while thanking the mother. Children's Day used to be called Boys' Day, so this holiday is practically colored with traditions for children male. A special celebration for girls is called Hinamatsuri and celebrated on March 3, which is not a holiday. The ancient Chinese tradition recognized festivals related to the seasons, which are referred to in Japan as Seiku. Since ancient times, the fifth month of the Chinese calendar was filled with activities to drive out evil spirits. The fifth month is known as Tangbo no Seiku or Duanwu, and is a day to celebrate the health and growth of boys. During Children's Day celebrations, there is a tradition of displaying a display in the home of families with boys' replica yoroi, or ancient knight clothing, and kabuto, or helmet samurai. Families with sons also put up koinobori, or plague-shaped gold piece. The plague of the large gold piece is depicted as a super strong boy, Kintaro, was reading a gold piece. Kabuto, yoroi, and the characters Kintaro are used as symbols of hope for a boy who is healthy and strong. The cakes eaten during the celebration are cakes chimaki and kashiwa mochi.
Sport and Healthy Day is an official holiday in Japan, according to the Japanese holiday law Shukujitsuhu. This day is used to cultivate a love for sport, develop a healthy body and soul. In Italy, this holiday was set for 10 October to commemorate the day of the 1964 Tokyo Olympics opening ceremony, but was changed to the second Monday in October since the Happy Monday system was implemented, which moved part of the holiday to Monday in order to expect the weekend. In the school effort, there is a tradition of holding competition between students, which are divided into two camps, red and white, or four camps, north, south, west, east. The methods that can be carried out can be various kits, ranging from running, relay running, and other. Workers' Day is an official holiday in Japan which falls on 23rd November. This holiday was established in 1948 by a Japanese holiday law Shukujitsuhu to honor workers, celebrate production, and express mutual gratitude. Nation Formation Day, a day to commemorate the founding of the country, is an official holiday in Japan which falls on 11 February. This holiday commemorates the event that Emperor Jimmu ascended the throne based on the record of Nihon Shokiden Kojiki, which according to the solar calendar calculation occurred 11 February 660 BC.
Hadaka Matsuri, or Nude Festival, is a designation for various Matsuri in Japan, with a number of participants, Sujiko male, a very scantily dressed adult. Participants generally wear pundoshi, or loincloth typical of Japan. However, sometimes clothes have been also worn, and rarely every naked. The hallmark of a ritual is pushing and pushing among groups of participants. Although they don't use the name Hadaka Matsuri, in Japan there are a number of matsuri whose activities are similar to Hadaka Matsuri. Hadaka Matsuri, which is widely known in Japan, for example, Sominsai, City Osu, Iwate Prefecture. Hadaka Matsuri, Yanaiju, Fukushima Prefecture. Gion Matsuri, Suga Temple, Narita Chiba, Chiba Prefecture. Hadaka Matsuri is held to pray for bountiful harvest in the coming harvest season. When machines were not invented, agriculture, the Japanese used to rely solely on human labor to grow crops. This Matsuri is used for performance held men to work on agricultural land, and at the same time being used by the audience women to find a life partner. Hadaka Matsuri is not considered vulgar because it is performed for a purpose ritual. Every year, various Hadaka Matsuri are held in various places all over Japan, especially in summer and winter.